If the function h is differentiable with the h of 3 is equal to 4, h prime of 3 is equal to negative 2, what is the value of the approximation of h of 3.1 using the line tangent to the graph of h at x equal to 3? Okay, if we visualize in the xy plane, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, h of 3 is equal to 4. So let's say here is 3, here is 4. And slope, h prime of 3 is negative 2, right? So let's say h is this function. Slope of tangent at 3, 4, that is equal to negative 2. And the question is to find the approximation of h of 3.1 using this tangent line. So exact value of h of 3.1, let's say this is 3.1. So the actual value is right here. That's h of 3.1. But the question is to approximate this value using this tangent line. So we can actually approximate that value. So we can approximate this value finding this value, right? Let's say this line is L of x. Then function value of this approximation would be equal to L of 3.1. And that is very close to h of 3.1. Okay, the first thing we have to do is we have to find the equation of the tangent line. So L of x, the equation of tangent line, is using point slope form, y minus y1. This tangent line passes through 3, 4, right? So y minus y1, 4 is equal to slope is negative 2. Slope negative 2, x minus x1, that is 3. So y is equal to negative 2, x minus 3 plus 4. And when x is 3.1, the value of y is equal to negative 2 times 0.1 plus 4. So minus 0.2 plus 4, that is equal to 3.8. And this is L of 3.1. And this is approximation of h of 3.1, right? So the answer is 3.8.